This is a 2-pack of UHF elbows. You can see here essentially, you could screw this into a radio and then screw a piece of coax into that. So really it's just a 90-degree connector. It makes it easy. If you have a wire coming down and you have limited area behind a radio, you can screw it in and get easy access to it. Or if you want to be able to unscrew a wire from a radio without having to remove the radio, something like this could be useful. You could also put it, if you had a bulkhead with a connector coming out and you wanted the wire to go down or up from it, if you're willing to put up with a little tiny bit of insertion loss, it might make your routing of your wiring a lot easier in tight spaces. So it says it's a copper nickel outside and then a gold-plated internal pins and receptacles. So you can see the 90-degree elbow in place on my radio here, and this allows me to have the wire coming out of the top as opposed to the back. So this allows me to set the radio up like that and still have this wire coming out. See, my APRS packets are coming in just fine through that elbow.